Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Eastpak Padded Packer Backpack in Crafty Blue. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So we do that by, of course, pulling apart the flap that's keeping the package sealed. And then we slide the Eastpak Padded Packer Backpack out from its plastic packaging. So you can see the color of this backpack and the size as well. So this is a 100% polyester backpack, and it is a daypack. And it does have a front zippered pocket as well as a main compartment. And at the back you see two black padded straps. And the dimensions of this backpack is 40 centimeters in height, 30 centimeters in width, and 18 centimeters in depth. Obviously, it is currently still in its flattened state, so you can't quite be able to see those dimensions quite so clearly. However, we'll still just take a look around the backpack anyway. So this is the backpack in Crafty Blue, and it's available in almost 130 colors, so plenty of colors to choose from. Now giving you a close-up look to the construction and the 100% polyester fabric that this backpack is made out of. And giving a close-up look at the double zippers for the main compartment, and you can see the Eastpak detail on them as well. And just giving you that all-round look to this backpack. And as I mentioned, this backpack comes in over 100 different colors. So plenty of options to choose from in terms of finding the right color to suit your needs. And just taking a look at the tags as well. So this is the Eastpak Padded Packer Backpack in Crafty Blue. And it does actually have a 30-year warranty right across the range, instead of this 2-year warranty tag that you see here. And that pricing is kind of erroneous as well. It's actually not that expensive, or at least not anywhere close to that price as that you see there on the tag. And right there, the Padded Packer product details. And just flipping around, right there, details in English this time round. Giving you that close-up. Hopefully you're able to read that slightly fine print. From here to forever with the 30-year warranty, so ignore that 2-year warranty tag there. Okay, so let's take a close-up look at the front zippered compartment. So the front zippered compartment with that Eastpak tag right there. And once again we see the fine detail with the Eastpak branded zipper, or zipper tab. Let's pull that zipper open. Right there you can hear that nice solid sound to it. And taking a look inside that front zippered compartment, there appears to be a leaflet here with the Eastpak 2-year warranty. So slightly confusing because the actual online product details on the website does mention a 30-year warranty. However, this leaflet does mention only 2. However, I've known Eastpak to have a very, very long warranty periods anyway, so I'm pretty sure that 30-year warranty period is correct instead of this 2 here that's shown on the leaflet, as well as the tag that we saw earlier that's attached to the backpack. So just giving you a quick reference right there to the fine print, and at the rear as well, hopefully you're able to see and make out the text that's on there. So just simply, of course, pause the video unless you are a super speed reader. Okay, so that's the product warranty information right there. I'm gonna set that down and to the side right there. Okay, so continuing on from the zippered compartment, just to show you the size of the compartment. So once again, this is a 100% polyester backpack with padding at the rear or back of the backpack, as well as the shoulder straps. So giving you a look all around. So the blue does appear slightly lighter on the camcorder screen, so I can tell you that it is slightly darker than what it appears, just very slightly. And now just giving you some sense of the size once again, now that it's slightly more inflated, I would say. So there we go, slightly taking up shape now, and it's 40 centimeters in height, 30 centimeters in width, and 18 centimeters in depth. So right there, you can see those padded shoulder straps. Nice and quite thickly padded. You can see how stiff they are at the moment. Obviously, over time, they will soften and conform to the shape of your body, or at least your shoulders and torso. And of course, there is adjustability there for the shoulder strap. Right there, giving you a sense of idea of the length of adjustability. So plenty of slack there on the shoulder straps. Of course, popping that rubber band off. There we go. And it's popped away and disappeared out of view. So right there, close-up look, and the fine detail and stitching looking very robust right round on the shoulder straps of this Eastpak padded Pak'r backpack in Crafty Blue. So as I mentioned, the back part of this backpack is padded along with the shoulder strap, so nice to see right there. And of course the base, always good to note the underside. Dimensions, as well as if there's any added padded material, cushioning, or pads on the underside. Okay, so there we go. Nice good look all around at this Eastpak padded Pak'r backpack in Crafty Blue, and also available in over 100 other colors. Okay, now last thing is to of course look in the inner compartment, so let's go ahead and unzip the main compartment right there and show you just what it looks like on the inside. So lined in black on the inside, or at least black for the back part and blue for the front flap right there, and giving you a look inside so you have a good idea of the shape and dimensions of this backpack. So it does have a 24-liter volume. And taking a look at the product tags right there for this Eastpak backpack. So the padded Pak'r R in Crafty Blue. Okay, and just one note, a word of advice when it comes to securing or zipping up your backpack. Never ever put your zips at the top, because it makes it easy for someone to pick open your backpack, or sometimes it could be the case where your backpack is overstuffed, and that could eventually just come apart over time as you go about your business. So always make sure that you zip both zippers to the extreme ends, either to the left or right side of the backpack, never at the very top, for safety and security reasons. So nice good look all around at this Eastpak padded Pak'r backpack in Crafty Blue. And just taking one last look close up at the weave and pattern of this backpack. So you can see the semi-coarse weave and texture of the fabric, which is 100% polyester. So that's the Eastpak padded Pak'r backpack in Crafty Blue. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!